If you would like to create a poll on your YouTube video, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and create a poll on your YouTube video. Before I do, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. And again, if you are an existing subscriber watching this video, thank you very much. How are you doing today? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on your YouTube video. Now, there's many reasons why you want to do this. It's great feedback that helps you get more information from your viewers and subscribers. It also creates engagement on your videos, and it also helps you connect and find out more information that your viewers and subscribers are thinking. Whatever your reason, we're going to head on over to the trusty computer so you can set up your poll and create that engagement with your audience right now. Okay, so here we are inside our YouTube channel. So you go up here to the top right and then click on YouTube Studio Beta. So what we want to do is find the video that we want. So we go over here to the left hand side to videos. So when in here, just pick the video that you want. I'm just going to take this one here on the top. So we go to the right hand side where it says cards. So just scroll down the page till it says cards, and then it'll open up a new tab on your browser. How to is typically. So it starts playing. So what you want to do is you want to pop in the card at a point on your video where it's relevant. So at this one, I'm just going to pick one at random here. So 30-second mark. Go up here to where it says add card and then select poll. Then click on create. Then we're going to type in our question. Now, if you want to have different card teaser, then you can change that here. So you can pop in different card teaser there. So I'm going to pop in 2 options. So I'm going to pick this one. Now you can have up to 5 options. So if I just click these, you can see here we've got choice 3, 4, and 5. So you can have up to 5 in total. And if you don't want any of them, you can just click the X and delete. So once you've got that, you click on create card and your card is now done. And we just move this here. Question about this or anything else to do with YouTube. So you can see our teaser text. Then you can look at it. So we can see our teaser text here. Quick one for you. Then what do you think of this video? Loads or more than loads. You select that. Then it will show you the results of your poll. So the more people that click on an option, then you will see the results there. Now, if you want to edit this, go back here and just click on the little pencil. And you can add in another choice if you want. Or if you want to delete, just click on the little trash icon there. And it's gone. So there you go, that's how you quickly and easily set up a poll on your YouTube videos. As you can see, very quick, very easy, and you can set it up in no time at all. So you can be asking questions from your viewers and subscribers on your YouTube videos, creating more engagement on your channel and building that relationship with them. So what questions are you going to pop on your poll? Is it a simple yes or no, or is it multiple choice? Let me know in the oldie comments area down there. I'd love to know what you're using polls for. And of course, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, pop that also in the comments area as well. And I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure to click the button right here to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell as well to be notified every Tuesday when we upload videos. Also as well, watch one of these fine videos here to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially for business. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.